main air inlet, your signal line, and then your high pressure line here. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the air line, remove that, and then disconnect the signal line here. To remove the signal line, you need to pull back on this green locking ring, then go ahead and pull the hose out. Next, we need to disconnect our high pressure line. To do that, we're going to remove this shield right here, the burst shield. Slide that back out of the way. And then we're just going to disconnect our high pressure line from right here. What we're going to look at now is the rear swivel seal. And when the rear swivel seal goes out, what you'll notice is you'll start getting water leaking out of these weep holes around the swivel nut. So what we want to do is go ahead and take this swivel nut off. Just use a pipe wrench. Slide the swivel nut out of the way. I'm going to go ahead and remove this swivel. And what you notice, like what happened in this case, the seal actually got stuck inside of here. Go ahead and remove the seal. Use a small pick. Here's your seal here. When you put the new seal on, you want to make sure that this seat right here is clean and free of debris and burrs. If not, you want to go ahead and replace that brass seat. To remove that, you just slide it off this shaft here. Grab the new seat, just replace it. Put the new seal on, just slide the peel seal over the shaft. It's very important you make sure that this O-ring right here is facing towards the back of the gun. Go ahead and reinstall your swivel housing, and then reinstall your swivel nut. Tighten it back up. And that's it.